I'm going to show you how to make this cute lollipop using a styrofoam disc from Dollar Tree and this yarn from Hobby Lobby. This yarn is Baby Bee Cuddle One fruit flavored. First thing you need to do is find the center of the styrofoam disc. How I'm going to do that is try to line it up the best I can to my cutting mat. You can use a ruler or whatever else. Right here is what I've measured the center. I'm just using a pin of the disc, and I'm just going, it doesn't have to be perfect. Make a little line. Turn this around and line this line up with the lines on my mat. And again, I'm going to try to draw a line the best I can in the middle of the disc. It's not going to be perfect, and that's okay. So then we want to take the end of the yarn. Make sure you have your glue and your glue sticks. Put a little drop of glue right there in the center and put your yarn on top of the glue. Let the glue start to cool down and harden before you do anything else. After that has hardened a little bit and that is stuck on there, take your glue gun and put some glue around in a circle and start taking your yarn in circles. Then you'll continue to put the glue all the way around the yarn and continue to put the yarn over the glue so the glue catches the yarn and holds it to the disc. And I forgot, you'll also need these dowels. I got these at Hobby Lobby. And you'll want to do this before you start on the disc. And I totally forgot this, but that's okay. So what you do, where I've got this line, I want to start a hole here. Let's get my scissors and start a hole here. Then I'm going to take my dowel and push it up into the disc. So I've got that in the disc. Now I'm going to finish putting the yarn on this, going around and around and around until I have all the yarn stuck to the disc. Now we've come to the end, and it's very easy. You just don't put any glue down yet, and then put that around to see where you need to clip off your yarn. Then take some glue, put in the center, and spool that around. There are your cute lollipops, and you can use these to decorate a birthday, put on a Christmas tree, a wreath, your child's room. There are a lot of options on how you could use these. So I hope this video helps you to get creative. Here are my lollipops on my tree. I think they look so good. My husband loves them, and my daughter. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you've watched my video this far, give me a lollipop emoji. And I have made other videos of other candies that I have made for my tree. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do that so you won't miss those. Also, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I would really appreciate that. Any interaction that you give me helps push my videos out for others to find. Bye everyone.